I'm sorry, I'm distracted. You gotta go with Mom now.
Come on. You know where to go. Come on. Very good. Come on in. Come on in. Hi, Miss Esther. Good. Yay. Hey.